In this video, we listed the 5 best USB-C external Ethernet adapter on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Kebidumei 2500M USB-C External Ethernet Adapter. The Kebidumei 2500M is a versatile external network adapter designed for high-speed connectivity, supporting both USB 3.0 and Type-C interfaces. It offers impressive transmission speeds of up to 2500 megabits per second, making it suitable for various devices, including PCs, MacBooks, and laptops. The adapter is compatible with multiple wireless protocols such as 802.11n, 802.11ax, and 802.11ac, and features a gigabit Ethernet network type. With a compact and user-friendly design, it allows for easy plug-and-play installation without the need for additional drivers. Available in 2 models, one supporting 2500 megabits per second via USB 3.0, Type-C, and another offering 100 megabits per second via USB 2.0, this adapter caters to a wide range of users, ensuring stable and fast internet connections for both work and leisure. The product is sold by YAYA3C store with a competitive price and shipping options to Bangladesh. Number 2. Beyoume External USB-C External Ethernet Adapter. The Beyoume 1000M network card with a PD60W charger is a compact and efficient device designed for seamless connectivity, featuring a USB 3.0 interface and 2 ports. With a length of 0.2 m, it is ideal for users seeking a reliable network solution for their computers, particularly for testing IP cameras. The product is not PoE, Power over Ethernet, which is a common inquiry among potential buyers. Priced at US $10.73, down from US $16.51, it offers a 35% discount, with an additional 3% off available. Sold by EZA.3C Global Store, it includes shipping options to Bangladesh for a fee of US 58 cents, with an estimated delivery date of June 23. The seller emphasizes secure payment and privacy protection for customers. Number 3. Apwikoger USB-C External Ethernet Adapter. The ELHO Type-C to Ethernet adapter is a compact and efficient solution for users needing a reliable wired connection, boasting a transmission rate of up to 1000 megabits per second, gigabit Ethernet. Designed for desktop applications, this external adapter features a durable aluminum alloy housing that ensures longevity and protection against daily wear. Measuring just 57.00 by 23.00 by 16.00 millimeters, it is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry for on-the-go connectivity. The adapter supports both USB and Type-C interfaces, enhancing compatibility with a variety of devices, including laptops and tablets. Available in space gray and silver, it is currently priced at US $6.62, down from US $16.36, reflecting a 59% discount. However, it is important to note that shipping is unavailable to certain locations, including Bangladesh, as specified by the seller, AAA Dropship Store. The product emphasizes secure payment and privacy protection for customers. Number 4. Unnlink 1897 USB-C External Ethernet Adapter. The Unnlink USB 3.0 Type-C to RJ 45 gigabit Ethernet adapter is a versatile and high-performance network solution designed for laptops, tablets, PCs, and game controllers. With a transmission speed of up to 1000 megabits per second, this adapter offers fast and stable connectivity, making it ideal for various applications. It features a durable aluminum alloy shell that ensures efficient heat dissipation and includes multi-layer shielding for enhanced transmission stability. Priced at US $13.01, reduced from US $26.02 for a 50% discount, it also offers an additional 3% off. The product is available for shipping to Bangladesh for US $7.37, with an estimated delivery date of June 22. Sold by the Unnlink official store, the adapter emphasizes secure payment and privacy protection for customers. Number 5. Daguaika 100mm USB-C external Ethernet adapter. The Daguaika 8-in-1 Type-C hub is a multifunctional USB adapter designed to enhance connectivity for laptops and other devices. Measuring 15 cm in length, it features 8 ports, including HDMI for 4K output, RJ45 for wired network connections, and both USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 for high-speed data transfer. Their hub also includes SD and TF card readers for easy file transfers and supports power delivery, PD, fast charging, allowing users to charge devices efficiently while connected. Available in gray and constructed from durable aluminum alloy and ABS, it is priced at US $10.60, down from US $29.42, reflecting a 63% discount. However, shipping to Bangladesh is currently unavailable for this item, as noted by the seller, shop 11038133555 store. The product emphasizes secure payment and privacy protection for customers.